Hello Sammler und Fallensteller, hello collectors and trappers all over the world. After a few weeks of doing nothing in my basement, I'm back on the scene, and today I want to present to you a nice little restoration cleanup of a screwdriver. Let's have some fun. So now the restoration, the cleanup is done, and I think it's looking quite good. What do you think? And now I will do some shellac onto the handle, and then I will show you my finished little screwdriver. So now the cleanup of my ratcheting screwdriver is done. I had put on some coats of shellac onto the handle, and now I think it's looking quite good. What do you think? Thanks for watching.